Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. I'm here today to show you the 2016 Chaparral 257 SSX. This boat's only got 38 hours on it. It was brand new, indoor kept, climate controlled. As you can see on the back deck, you can have the option of having your seats front, forward, and reverse facing seats here, where you can have it all laid down for a big sun pad to lay out on. Battery switches are right here. They're underneath this cushion. Moving forward, you've got to power the 257 is the Volvo Penta 380 V8. That's of course under the hatchback there that we can access here. While that's coming up, I'll just go ahead and show you the dashboard layout. You've got a flat screen here, RPMs, and then engine gauges here with trim, fuel. Above our head, we have the bimini top as well as the water sports tower. That is a power tower. Folds down in case you're ever out in the rainy day or if you're trying to get maximum shade. And you can drive like this. Over here, you have a walk-in head with a sink. That is a pump-out head. Got plenty of storage in the floor for life jackets, water skis, wakeboards, kneeboards. Let's come forward. You have a head unit here for your stereo. Another storage compartment underneath the helm. You have a table mount in the front. This cushion snaps up in case you were to beach the boat and you didn't want to walk on your seats. And up front, you can sit and lounge. You've got armrests in the front here, so it fits very comfortable. This boat does come with the trailer, and again, it's 2016 Chaparral 257 SSX. Come down and see us over at Beaufort MarineMax on 5800. It's at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway. And again, I'm Ben Albright, so come by and see us and we'll take you for a ride.